Hey everyone, in this video I wanted to show you how to track and pin stickers or text on Instagram story. So when you take a video inside an Instagram story, you could get a text or a sticker icon to follow along with the video, and I wanted to show you how to make it from scratch. If it's your first time here, I make easy to follow social media videos every single day of the week, so please consider subscribing. So I'm jumping into Instagram story here, and I'm just gonna hold this down to take a quick video, and I'll change where this Rubik's Cube ends up in the video. I'll let go. So I just kind of moved it in different corners of the video. And now I'm gonna create a text. So I'm gonna press AA, and I'm gonna ask a question, and let me just put a quick background. I'm gonna say done. So now I want to pin this. So if you just grab and drag it, it's just gonna end up where you leave it. It's not gonna move. So when you drag, all you could do is put it in a garbage can. That's not what we wanna do here. If you tap it, it's gonna put you in edit mode. But there's a third option. Press and hold down. If you press and hold down, let me cancel and show you one more time. Press and hold down. It takes you to pin mode. So place your sticker anywhere. Now, as you can see, there is a slider on the bottom that goes from the beginning to the end of the video, and then on the bottom it says pin. So I'm gonna go in the beginning of the video, I'm gonna move this, solve this right here, I'm gonna put it right on top, and I'm gonna pin it. And now as you could see, it got pinned to that part of the video. So as the video moves around, it should stay within that general area of the Rubik's Cube. You could always go ahead and press that one more time, not in edit mode, press and hold, and then you could repin this somewhere else. So I could move it a little bit further down. In the beginning of the video, I'll put it on these two boxes and press pin, and it's gonna pin it to a different section. So you could actually edit this before you share it to your story. So you could also do this with stickers. So I'm pressing the sticker icon. You can't do it with the question emoji icon, but you could do it with, for example, this one that says the date. So all these actually. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this Friday one. I'm gonna just shrink it down. I'm touching the wrong one. I'm gonna shrink the Friday down, and to make it again to be pinnable, I'm gonna press and hold, just like that. I'm gonna press and hold. I'm gonna change the slider to be in the beginning of the video, and I'll just put it somewhere right here on the bottom, and then I'm gonna pin it. So now again, it should follow along with the video. Looks like the other one I changed the pin, so I'm gonna go ahead and select this one again. I'm gonna put it up here in the beginning of the video, and same thing, I'm gonna pin. So now both of them should be pinned to the Rubik's Cube, and they'll move along with the video. So this is a cool way to get your text to animate in real time. It's really gonna make your Instagram story stand apart from everyone else's, because now it looks like you animated your text. You could do it with multiple text and sticker icons just like you see here. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a like and subscribe to this channel for a lot more easy to follow social media videos just like this one, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching.